Looking for a website to convert image to text, HTML or ASCII numbers? Just follow this video. Go to Google Chrome. Paste the URL link pinned in comment section. Choose your image.
To get a better edited image, choice an image with black background or vignetted image.
Enter your text in characters box. Enter image width as 125. You can also choose any background color.
Press Convert. The edited photo appears, then take a screenshot of it.